The AI coding assistant market has officially split in two, and choosing the wrong one could cost you hours of productivity every single week. For the last 30 days, I completely abandoned my normal workflow. I built two identical Node.js backend projects, one using exclusively Cursor and the other using Anthropic's new terminal-native Claude Code. I tracked speed, accuracy, and cost across 100 different tasks. And let me tell you, the winner absolutely shocked me. Let's break down the real data. First, we need to understand that these aren't just different tools. They are entirely different philosophies of how developers should work in 2026. Cursor is an AI-native IDE built on the familiar VS Code ecosystem. Keeps you in the loop with beautiful GUI integrated inline diffs. You see the changes, you accept them, you move on. Feels safe. Claude Code, on the other hand, is a terminal-native agentic loop. It doesn't want to hold your hand. You give it a prompt and it autonomously reads your files, writes the code, runs the tests, and fixes its own errors before you even see the output. It's terrifyingly fast. But as we saw this week when a developer accidentally let Claude Code nuke their production database, that autonomy is a double-edged sword. When it comes to speed on simple tasks, Cursor takes the crown. If you need to scaffold a basic express route, update a TypeScript interface, or fix a simple syntax error, Cursor's auto-apply feature is unmatched. In my testing, Cursor averaged 85 tokens per second and was 12% faster than Claude Code on simple, single-file modifications. Plus, Cursor's Pro plan at just $20 a month gives you an incredible 42 accuracy points per dollar. If you are a solo developer building quick prototypes or working mostly in Python and TypeScript, Cursor feels like magic. But here is where the story flips completely. When I asked both tools to implement a full-feature authentication system touching 5 different files, including database schemas, middleware, and unit tests, Cursor started to hallucinate. It lost context. Claude Code, however, became an absolute monster. Because of its agentic loop, Claude Code achieved a 78% first-pass accuracy on complex tasks, compared to Cursor's 73%. On full-feature implementations specifically, Claude Code passed 68% of the time on the first attempt, while Cursor failed nearly half the time. Claude Code was also 18% faster on these complex tasks, hitting 90 tokens per second. If you are building serious backend architecture, especially in languages like Rust or Go, Claude Code's ability to maintain context across your entire repository is unmatched. So, which one should you choose in 2026? After 30 days of intense testing, my verdict is clear. If you are a junior or mid-level developer, or if you prefer visual control over every line of code being changed, stick with Cursor. It is safer, cheaper, and integrates perfectly with the extensions you already use. But if you are a senior backend engineer dealing with complex, multi-file refactoring, and you are comfortable letting an AI agent run wild in your terminal, Claude Code is the most powerful tool on the market right now. Just please, for the love of God, don't give it production database credentials. The era of vibe coding is over. We are entering the era of agentic engineering, and the developers who master these tools will replace the ones who don't. If you found this benchmark helpful, hit that subscribe button for more deep dive tech tutorials. And let me know in the comments, are you Team Cursor or Team Claude Code? See you in the next video.